Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this video, we are going to talk about two very important words that you need in every language. Yes and no. In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to say yes and no in Standard German and in Austrian German. Additionally, you will get some tips to sound more like a native speaker. Please stay tuned. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn how to say and use the words yes and no in Standard as well as in Austrian German. You need these two words very often, but they are very short and easy. Let's start with yes. In Standard German, you can use ja for yes. Many Austrians will say your. If you'd like to agree, you can also use your, or combine it with danke and bitte. Your danke, your bitte. If you want to say no in Standard German, you normally use nein. Most Austrians will use the term na. To sound more polite, you can say na danke. If you're angry, you can add ge. For instance, na ge. Summing up, we can say that yes means ja and no means nein in Standard German. In Austrian German, we use your for yes and na for no. Your und na. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Now I've learned the most important words in Austrian German. Have a nice day. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial.